खण प्रश्नाचेर अंदूच्या डिसेंबरा मेरेन उपाय सोदून काडटले, मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंतान म्हटलां. तो म्हणटा आपूण गृहमंत्री अमित शाह, खण मंत्री प्रल्हाद जोशीक वचून मेळ्ळो. केंद्र सरकार 2 पर्यायाचेर विचार करता. डिसेंबर मेरेन कितें तरी उपाय सांपडटलो असो आशावाद ताणें उक्तायला. हो विशय 2 पावंड्या वयल्यान सोडोव येता. तातूंतलो एक म्हटल्यार MMDR कायदो चालीक लावप आनी दुसरो म्हटल्यार कोर्टात वचप. प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी कडेन उलयल्या उपरांत खंयचो निर्णय घेवप हें थारतलें. हाचेर अर्द्या वराची चर्चा जाली. तातूंत सर्वोच्च न्यायालयाच्या आदेशाचेरूय उलोवप जालें. अर्थीक परिशदेच्या निमतान मुख्यमंत्री सध्या दिल्ली आसा. 31व्या राष्ट्रीय परिसंवादांत खण अभियंत्यां मदीं खणीच्या फुडाराचो विशय घेवन गट चर्चा जाली. नवी खण पॉलिसी आनी ह्या पॉलिसीचे फाटभुंयेर खण वेवसाय कसो चालू उरपाक शकता हो चर्चेचो केंद्रबिंदू आशिल्लो. पळयात.
True that we can't survive without mining. Right from the pill that you take in the morning for pressure and down to the last bulb you put it off when you want to sleep. So, if we are behind all this, we should be proud of ourselves. That's one point that brings it out very clearly. This topic is mining operations in the light of new mineral policy and future mining growth. What is going to change? Technology is not changing. Nothing is going to change. It will be the same thing. Only this contract business, this business that has come up. Where is there going to be change? Why are we worried about the change? I don't find there the need of any change. If we can only improve, and that is the way of life these days, every day we improve by the technology development.
Specifically in Goa. One is because we have been a low-grade miner right throughout. Even when we are doing 62, we were low-grade miners. At that time, country was doing plus 65. The good part of this low-grade is it is quite, it's not very fine low-grade. It has only about 30% minus 100 mesh. And that is why this ore becomes a very good additive for sintering. And that is why the iron ore of Goa has been getting sold in Japan and China and Korea and even in Europe. Another reason why it makes our ore gets marketed outside and it needs to be exported is that we reach China in 500 rupees. Or we reach Japan or Korea in 500 rupees. Even we reach Europe in 500 rupees. Earlier I used to say 500. I think now it has become 700. But to reach Karnataka steel plant, we require 1400.